napaka mahirap maghanap. Especially nowadays, it's so hard to find the one. Kasi yung the one na yan, marami din siyang another the one. So may the one, the two, the three, the four siya. So parang nowadays, it's kind of hard to find that one person. So if you find that one person, keep them. Kasi sometimes, pag nasa relationship tayo, kahit na yun na yung the one natin, naghahanap pa rin tayo ng iba. Alam mo yun yung parang magka-red flag lang ng konti.
Nakakilatis ka na.
Oo, parang iisipin mo na hindi ito yung the one. So parang if you have them and then you feel na love mo na tong person na to and you feel na you get along really well kasi every relationship will always have like a problem. 'Di ba? Meron talaga wala namang perfect relationship
Totoo yun.
So kung bearable naman at yung hindi ka naman sinasaktan, 'di ba?
Tama.
At love nyo naman yung isa't isa,
That's
keep
right.
that person.
Tama
Kasi
yun.
nowadays, I swear, it's so hard to find the one.